Hey everyone, in this video we'll do a review of Suno.com. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Suno.com and we're all logged in. And if you are new to the website, this is what you should be expecting. You can download the app on Android and iOS as well if you're interested in doing that. And here on the homepage, you're going to see a variety of examples that have been created by other users, and you are free to go through all of these at your leisure and listen. If you are interested in creating yourself, then what you're looking for is here on the desktop up at the top left hand corner. You can go ahead and select Create. And then from here, you have the option to create your own songs. Now, if you are on the free version, you have 50 free credits that you can use daily. And each generation, which generates 2 songs, will cost 10 credits. So it's really quite generous with the credits that it offers you, and on a daily basis, if you want to come and play around, there's more than enough there for you to use and experiment with. You are going to be on the 3.5 version if you are not subscribed, and you can still do a lot with the 3.5 version. You can upload your own audio, so if you want to sing a song, you have a minute of time that you can upload. So if you've got lyrics and you've got some vocals that you want to use, or you have something else that you want to use, then you can upload that audio here. And you can use Suno in order to create a song from that. So let's go ahead and just kind of go through a review here. You're going to see first off the custom button here. If you click on that, then that's going to give you a more pared down version of the details here that you're going to be putting in. You also have an instrumental toggle here that you can toggle off and on, and does exactly as you might expect. If you just want music and you don't want any lyrics, then you're going to want to toggle that instrumental there so that it's moved to the right. And then from here you have a song description page. So this is where you're going to put your prompt, and you can do something as simple as let's say a workout song. Super simple. Now if we hit create, then we're going to get something from that, and let's just go ahead and do that. Why not? Let's just make it super simple. And we're just going to hit create here. I've already done a couple of examples there. And here we go. We've got our song, Keep Pushing. And yeah, if you want to just create a playlist of good music for working out, then you can do that. So this is just one example of what Suno is capable of. And I've been having a lot of fun with it, so I definitely recommend checking it out. Let's take a look here and see what Suno has come up with. So we won't listen to the whole thing, but that's just to give you an idea of what Suno is capable of. And so as you can see for yourself, the results are pretty impressive. And it's just a neat way of being able to come up with your own music and come up with a sound that is unique to you, that you enjoy. You're going to notice here this swirling circle here that's going around. That is an indication that Suno is still working. It's still generating the song. And once it stops, as it has now, and you see the result here, so you can see that we have a 2-minute song. So let's go ahead and just fast forward to the end of the song, which you can do. There's this bar right here. So if we just click right here, then we're going to hear the end of the song. So let's just listen to this really quick. Okay. So that's really quite nice. The results there, straightforward, nothing too extravagant, just a nice little 2-minute workout song. and you can play around with that. Now, one of the things to note is that it is important to check your prompts here, because if you want something that's a bit more lengthy and you actually want to extend a song, so if you have a song and you get to the end and it just kind of cuts off, you can actually extend the song. So you can see here with each of the different examples that I've generated, there's a button here that says extend. And let's go ahead and let's just use this one as an example. So I'm going to hit extend here, and you're going to see that this has now changed. And here we have where it says extend from 201. So that basically is telling us that it is going to extend the song from the 2 minute and 1 point in the song. And that is exactly where the song ends. So if you have a song that kind of cuts off abruptly and you want it to keep going, then you can play with the extend option. Another thing is that is important to putting your own songs in. So if you want to do your own lyrics and vocals, then you can do that by uploading your audio and then hitting the extend to create a song from that. So I'll give you an example here. Let's go ahead and let's see this, because I think this is the right one. Let's try it out. We're going on the sky train. We're going on the sky train. Okay, so yeah, perfect example here. This is something that I was playing around with the other day. So I put in my own lyrics and little idea, and then we hit the extend. And then what that does is it takes whatever you have uploaded and then it extends it from there. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the results here. Actually, this is the one that I quite like, so let's go ahead and listen to this one.
We're going on the sky train. We're going on the sky train. Woke up this morning, gotta get to work. Drinking my coffee while the sun kisses the earth. On the sky train. Ooh, we're going on the sky train.
So yeah, we won't listen to the whole thing there, but that's just to give you an idea of what Suno is capable of. So just with our input there, with our upload, then by hitting extend and adding some additional details, then that's how we were able to get that result there. So Suno is very, very powerful. If there's anything that you can think of that you might want to use it for, whether it's for an advertisement or for your own personal workout playlist, or if you've got a song idea, Suno is really quite powerful, and I highly recommend it. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.